Good morning, our dear students. Let's start our lesson. My full name is Испекеева Д.Е.Испекеева. I am a teacher of English practice. Today is our theme of the lesson. It's the English lesson and the grammar theme, the present continuous tense. Answer the questions. The first question. Do you like English lesson? Well done. The second question. Do you speak English very well? You are right. The third question. What do you teach in English lesson? Yes, you are right. At the English lesson. Our new words. Exercise жаттығу, teach үйрету, spell әріптеп айту, merry көңілді, friendly мейірімді, joy әзіл, huge үлкен, prepare дайындалу. It's the English lesson. As you know, our group has 2 English lessons a week, on Tuesday and Friday. When the teacher comes and opens the door, we come in and sit down. Then we open our bags and take our exercise books and the spoken English books. And soon the lesson begins. We usually start it by pronouncing different words and sounds. Then we are usually invited to the blackboard by the teacher and she asks us the words we were to each by heart. After that, we usually do some exercises from the textbook. These exercises teach us to ask questions or how to make negative sentences and so on. Then, using tests in our exercise books, we usually write spelling, 2 tests, and a quiz. During the lesson, we speak mostly English, but sometimes when the students don't understand the teacher or the task in the textbook, we start speaking Kazakh. What I like best of all in our English lessons is the merry, friendly atmosphere in the class. The funny jokes are always greeted. To the end of the lesson, the teacher always gives us a huge homework. It usually consists of learning new words or a text by heart and making several exercises in a writing form. Then we all say goodbye to our teacher and begin preparing to the new lesson. Here, I want to end my small composition about the English lessons at the college where I study. And I want to say you that all English lessons are among the most interesting and the most exciting lessons. That's why I like them very much. The first task, true or false. They have English lessons twice a week. They begin the lesson by playing a game. The English lesson is boring and not interesting. They sometimes speak in Russian. Teacher doesn't give them homework. He likes English lessons very much. The second task, match the words in the 2 columns. The first column is words, open, exercise, different, teach, negative, funny, huge. The second column is words, book, by heart, the door, joy, homework, sentence, sounds. For example, open the door. The present continuous tense. Functions of the present continuous. As with all tenses in English, the speaker's attitude is as important as the time of the action or event. When someone uses the present continuous, they are thinking about something that is unfinished or incomplete. The present continuous is used to describe an action that is going on at this moment. For example, we are using the internet to describe an action or event in the future which has already been planned or prepared. For example, we are going on holiday tomorrow. The present continuous is used to describe an action that is going on during this period of time or a trend. For example, more and more people are becoming vegetarian. To describe a temporary event or situation. For example, he usually plays the drums, but he's playing bass guitar tonight. The present continuous is used with always, forever, constantly to describe and to emphasize a continuum series of repeated actions. For example, Harry and Sally are always argue. Forming the present continuous. The present continuous of any verb is composed of two parts. The present tense of the verb to be plus the present participle of the main verb. The form of the present participle is ending ing. Affirmative form, I am going. Negative form, I am not going. Interrogative form, am I going? You are going. You are not going. Are you going? He, she, it is going. He, she, it isn't going. Is he, she, it going? We are going. We aren't going. Are we going? You are going. You aren't going. Are you going? They are going. They aren't going. Are they going? Verbs that are not usually used in the continuous form. The verbs in the list below are normally used in the simple form because they are referred to states rather than actions or processes. Senses: to feel, to hear, to see, to smell, to taste. Emotions: to envy, to fear, to dislike, to hate, to hope, to like, to love, to mind, to prefer. Opinion: to assume, to believe, to consider, to doubt, to feel, to suppose, to think. Measurement: to contain, to cost, to hold, to measure, to weigh. Mental states: to forget, to imagine, to know, to mean, to notice, to recognize, to remember, to understand. For example, I understand you, not I am understanding you. This cake tastes wonderful, not this cake is tasting wonderful. The first task: complete the following sentences using present continuous tense. My son talks on the phone right now. My son is talking on the phone right now. You will continue. The second task: present simple or present continuous. Choose the correct form for each verb. Let's do this task. Present continuous quiz. They coming over for dinner. Are they coming over for dinner? You will continue. The lesson is over. Thank you for your attention.